Hello everyone! In this video, we're going to talk about Web 3.0 and how it will impact your business. Let's get started. If you're like most people watching this video, you're only using 1/3 of the internet. A lot of us spend our lives traversing different forms of digital communication on the internet. Emails, social media platforms, content creation, and consumption in a form of video, writing, audio, or photography, and graphics. The rest of the internet is still fragmented between the energy internet and the logistics internet. When you think of logistics internet, think driverless cars, the democratization of green energy, in order to instantly calculate carbon footprints in supply chains or construction. I say fragmented because the second two still sit apart from the communication, but not for long. Web 3.0 isn't about consumer communication. If you consider yourself a creator and you're a super fan of someone who posts videos or blogs and that's all you do in the internet, you sit squarely within consumer communication. And there is nothing wrong with this. But if you are a business owner who sells tangible products, you need to be thinking bigger. You might not be aware of this because there is a discourse of media asserting that Web 3.0 is about the decentralization of large digital institutions like Facebook. They think it's a revolution, but it's hardly news. Throughout history, every time a new technology, creative trend, or economic standard is reached, it always begins with centralized control. However, the communication internet is nothing but the continued decentralization of information. It's the natural progression of technology humans have done over the centuries, but that's not Web 3.0. So when will Web 3.0 begin? Web 3.0 is the point where we finally combine the Internet of Things, or IoT, across consumer communications, energy distribution, and logistics. The hope is that it creates a more efficient, less labor-intensive world. New technologies or trends often bring new forms of centralization. This isn't because corporations are evil, or someone is greedy, or there are nefarious intentions. It's because it takes an incredible amount of time, effort, and skill to innovate. There are three areas pushing us toward Web 3.0: the environmental factors of climate change and the recent pandemic, blockchain, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, and the social desire to work less. So what will Web 3 look like for your business? Businesses that sell products and advice services need to figure out how to bring their business into the cloud. Businesses that act as a broker will see less people working in their ranks. The internet put a time clock on any kind of broker or middleman business a long time ago. Generally, apps are the brokers these days. Bring your business into the cloud doesn't simply mean using Google Forms. Your customer journey needs to be as seamless from marketing to the sales receipt. This means you will need more efficient apps that the simple, crude applications will have today. They require too many manual updates, which welcomes too much human error. Instead, you will begin to see more single-entry systems where data is shared between different departments of a business or between suppliers. If data has to be entered more than once in the back office system, it's an indicator you'll be left behind. Here are things you can do to prepare your business today. Make sure back office and suppliers work with cloud-based apps. Make sure all apps integrate without needing to replicate work. Work from a single source of truth. If you have to build a bespoke system for your business, do so, because you will be future-proofing, and embrace highly integrated platforms as they emerge. In conclusion, thinking Web 3.0 is just more the same when it comes to how people consume information will give you the wrong steer. It's about the efficient movement of goods and services in order to satisfy the data that consumers are creating. The future looks like we are geared toward decentralization, and as I am bound to repeat, if you want to compete in business, you will need to learn how to build better processes and better bots. And there you have it, how Web 3.0 will impact your business. And before this video ends, stop living with low return and ultra expensive Facebook ads. Breakthrough SaaS gets you high quality buyer traffic from YouTube for literally pennies. Get unlimited leads with quality buyer traffic from YouTube ads with targeting options you won't even get on Facebook. Introducing Tube Target by Technic Force. It's a powerful YouTube targeting SaaS with marketing training. Tube Target gives you everything you need to dominate. You have Channel Finder, Video Finder, Keyword Finder, Video Analyzer, and a powerful training, a detailed guide and help, and 24/7 chat support and assistance. So, what are you waiting for? Try Tube Target now. Just go to gettubetarget.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.